If you run a restaurant, cafe, bar, or bakery, the right management software can save you hours every week. Today, I'm going to show you why Connecteam, with its new AI features, is one of the strongest tools for food and beverage teams. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are talking about the best management software for food and beverage, and I'm going to walk you through Connecteam's newest AI tools that help restaurants run faster and with far fewer mistakes. Connecteam is sponsoring this video, but everything I'm showing you is based on real workflows inside the product. And I love that Connecteam keeps pricing simple. There's a free plan for up to 10 users, plus fixed pricing as your team grows, so you can manage your restaurant without taking on another unpredictable bill. No one likes those. Let's start with the one area every food and beverage business struggles with: scheduling. This is Connecteam's auto scheduling tool called Auto Assign Week, and it's built for the realities of food and beverage. Scheduling here is really simple, right? You're balancing availability, experience levels, certifications, front of house and back of house coverage, and the constant reality of last minute changes. Watch this. Auto scheduling takes all of that into consideration and generates a complete schedule in seconds, instead of managers spending hours building one manually. Behind the scenes, the AI factors in availability, roles, experience, and shift requirements so the right people are placed in the right positions. That matters in a restaurant environment where a busy service needs a very different setup than a slower shift. Auto scheduling helps balance coverage automatically while still giving you full control to review and adjust as needed. As you review the schedule, you can add detailed shift notes directly into each shift. That could be station assignments, prep responsibilities, menu changes, or reminders about specials. Because those notes live within the shift, staff see them as soon as they check their schedule, which helps reduce confusion before service starts. When changes happen, and they always do, you can adjust the schedule instantly. If someone calls out, Connecteam can suggest the best replacement based on availability and role, so you're not scrambling or sending mass messages during a rush. That saves time and helps keep service running smoothly. Features like auto scheduling also support fair scheduling over time, which helps prevent burnout and keeps shifts distributed more evenly across the team. And for managers, that means fewer complaints and less back and forth. For staff, it creates a more predictable and balanced schedule. Food and beverage runs on checklists: line checks, prep lists, opening and closing routines, temperature logs, HACCP forms, and shift reports. Connecteam uses AI to make these much faster to set up and easier to complete. This has to be one of the most practical AI features for food and beverage teams. With Create from File, you can take any existing paper form or even a photo of it, and Connecteam's AI instantly turns it into a digital, fillable form your team can complete on their phone. This includes HACCP logs, temperature checks, opening and closing checklists, cleaning schedules, or any custom form you're already using. If your operation still relies on clipboards, binders, spreadsheets, this is a big shift. Instead of rebuilding forms from scratch or chasing paperwork at the end of a shift, you can standardize everything in one place. The forms look the same every time, they're easy for staff to complete, and managers don't have to interpret handwriting or hunt down missing pages. Once a form is digitized, you can assign it by station or role. Front of house staff can complete opening checklists, line cooks can log temperatures, bartenders can confirm closing procedures, and you get the idea. You can also require signatures, timestamps, even photo evidence, which adds accountability without slowing anyone down during service. All of that data is stored automatically, creating a clean record of what was completed, when it was done, and by whom. That's especially important for food and beverage, where audits, health inspections, and internal reviews are a reality. Instead of scrambling to pull paperwork, everything is already organized and searchable. Think of this feature as removing the friction. Managers get visibility without micromanaging, and compliance becomes part of the workflow instead of last-minute scrambles. Now, not every environment allows staff to stop and type, especially kitchens. Connecteam's Smart Voice Input is one of the most practical AI tools they've added for food and beverage. Watch this. With Smart Voice Input, staff can speak directly into a form instead of stopping to type. In a food and beverage environment, this matters. I might say something like, the walk-in cooler on the left side felt warmer than usual during the dinner rush. We adjusted the dial slightly, but it should be checked by maintenance. And voila. When the kitchen is busy or the bar's in the middle of a rush, pulling out a phone to write notes just isn't realistic. Instead, staff can quickly say what they need to log, and Connecteam's AI captures it, summarizes it, and organizes it automatically. Turnover is high in food and beverage, which means training can be a constant challenge. Connecteam's AI course creator can build role-based training in minutes. I love this feature with AI Course Creator. You start by typing in the topic that you want to train on, things like new menu training, bar prep, food safety procedures, or customer service scenarios. From there, Connecteam's AI automatically builds a complete course structure for you. Instead of staring at a blank page or rebuilding training from scratch, you get a clear outline that's ready to customize. You can then layer in exactly what your team needs. That might be short videos, quick quizzes, documents, or step-by-step instructions that walk someone through the job. This works especially well in food and beverage, where training often needs to be practical, repeatable, and easy to update when menus or procedures change. All of this training is available on mobile, which is key. New hires can complete courses before their first shift or during onboarding without pulling a manager off the floor to walk them through everything manually. It also means existing staff can review updates or refresh training whenever needed, right from their phone. And what really ties this together is visibility. From your Connecteam dashboard, the manager can track employee progress in real time. You can see who's completed each step, who hasn't started yet, and who might need a reminder, all in one place. No paper chasing, no guessing, no trying to remember who you still need to follow up with before a deadline. This way, nothing falls through the cracks. On that topic, I want to show you one of Connecteam's newer features, the AI Agent, designed to answer real questions your team asks every single day without pulling a manager off the floor. Because it's connected to your knowledge base within the Connecteam app, the AI pulls answers directly from your own documents. That means policies, training guides, procedures are always up to date, and employees get consistent answers every time and in a matter of seconds. So if someone's on shift and needs help, they don't have to hunt through folders or wait for a reply in a group chat. They can just ask. What I like here is that it works inside the same app your team is already using for scheduling, clock-ins, and updates. There's no extra login or separate tool or even learning curve. Because the AI is available 24/7, it's especially useful during busy shifts, late nights, or weekends when managers are stretched thin. The result is fewer interruptions, faster answers, and a team that feels more confident doing their job because the information they need is always right there. Restaurants can often run with multilingual teams across kitchen, bar, and front of house. Connecteam uses AI to make sure everyone receives the same message in the language that they understand best. With AI updates and Translate, you can write a shift briefing or announcement once, and Connecteam automatically translates it into each employee's preferred language. For food and beverage teams, that's a big deal, especially when front of house and back of house don't all share the same first language. The AI also helps rewrite updates to make them clearer and more concise before they go out. This reduces misunderstandings and cuts down on back and forth during busy shifts. Everyone receives the same message, written clearly in a language they understand. It's especially useful for things that change often, like menu updates, allergy reminders, daily specials, or prep instructions. Instead of repeating yourself or translating messages manually, you can send one update and know it's been delivered clearly. So that's Connecteam's approach to food and beverage, with new AI tools that make scheduling easier, streamline operations, support multilingual teams, and simplify training in a fast-moving environment. If you want to try Connecteam, I've linked to it below, including their free plan of teams of up to 10. If your team is bigger than that, check out their 14-day free trial. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.